This is pretty basic, cleaning a sink and a mirror. When I clean a mirror, I use a product called All-Purpose Cleaner. It's pretty much like Windex. And then on the sink and the countertop, I use degreaser. But I always do the mirror first. Always use paper towel. Don't use a rag. Pretty simple. You want to kind of go all the way from one end to the other end so it doesn't leave lint. And then I usually flip it and go up and down. And that's the mirror. So spray this with degreaser. If the bowl, you got kids drooling toothpaste or whatever's in the sink, you can use a little bit of Comet and a sponge with the scrubby side, but this sink doesn't need that. I always start with this part first, the faucet. I'm gonna take your rag and get in here real good. You spray this, just do a quick wipe across the whole thing. But I always do the bowl last because you don't want to go from the bowl to the countertop. It's kind of disgusting. Pull that and get in the drain real good like this. And that's cleaning a sink and a mirror.